Hi, I'm Jamie Ruiz. I'm one of the providers over here at HRMN Health. So you're going to start testosterone injections. This is a how-to on how to do that. You will get a vial of testosterone from the pharmacy, and we have a couple options for syringes and needles on how to inject this. This is a subcutaneous injection, meaning into the fat. That can be done in the belly, the back of the arm, the thigh, or the buttocks. I often like to suggest insulin syringes for my patients. The needles are tiny, they're easy to inject. Sometimes testosterone can be pretty oil-based and it can be a little slow to draw up. We have another formulation of testosterone that's compounded with grapeseed oil, and it's a lot thinner and easier to draw up. So depending on the version that you have, you might need a little bit of a bigger syringe. I'm going to demo with an insulin syringe. First rule always with our vials of testosterone or any vials and injections, you want to clean the top. This is dirty. We don't want to inject and push through contamination into the vial when the needle punctures the top. I save the wipe, and this is also the same wipe that I will use to wipe the skin where I inject. Next, you pull off the back of the insulin syringe and pull up the tip. I'm going to take the syringe and pull some air in. Doesn't have to be a lot. I'm just going to draw it to the 10. I'm going to puncture the top straight down. Don't bend your needle. These are little needles. Push the air in to help pressurize. Flip the vial. And then you will start to pull back. I just pull back with my third finger here. You'll see the medicine start to drip in. Sometimes the oil-based version of testosterone can be pretty slow. So I will push back up and pull back and push back up and pull back, and you'll see it drip in. Once you get to the amount that you need, so in this scenario, if we were doing 0.05 mLs, we would draw to the 5 units. If we were doing 0.1 mLs, then we would draw to the 10 units on the syringe, which is 0.1. Sometimes you get air, so you have to pull back and drip some more in, and then I will push back up. So I want 0.05. So right now it's at the 5 units. There's tiny little air bubbles. It's not going to hurt anything. I'm going to withdraw the needle straight out so I don't bend it. And then if there's bubbles, you just flick it and the bubbles will float to the top. It is okay to inject a small bubble. It is not going to hurt you. It's just going into the fat. And that is how you draw up with an insulin syringe. You cleanse the skin, you poke straight in and push. I do like to do a dart motion when I inject. If you go slow and push in, it can hurt more. So just pick some skin, dart it in, and it's really easy to do. Now, if we wanted to use a different syringe, sometimes we will send separate bigger syringes, and especially the oil-based testosterone, it can be slow to draw up. So we do have the option to give you a thicker, bigger gauge needle just to draw up, so it draws it faster. This is not meant to inject. So in this scenario, I have a nice 23 gauge 1-inch needle. I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to clean the top, draw some air in, go straight down so we don't bend, push the air in, flip, and same thing. We're going to draw up the medicine, and you'll see it start dripping in. For females, it's easy. We don't have to inject very much. So I'm going to do 0.1 here. And when I'm ready, we will pull straight out and flick air bubbles. And we're going to change the needle. So you will gently recap. Don't poke yourself. This is a luer lock syringe, so it untwists off. And you can put your injection needle, which often is a smaller needle, 27 gauge 1/2 inch, sometimes a 29 1/2 inch. You will twist that back on, make sure it's nice and tight and secure. Decap it, and I will inject with this needle. And same way, you just dart it in after you cleanse the skin with alcohol and inject. Pretty straightforward process. It's easy. The first time's always the most intimidating, but once you get it down, it's easy to do. I do find that it's less uncomfortable personally in thigh or buttocks. The belly, I think, is a little bit more sensitive. Again, if you just start it in, I also think it's less painful than if you do this slow puncture. But it's easy. You got this.